I know that, we are so lucky to have this opportunity to be playing on home soil.
I get goosebumps even just talking about it.
Like, we have little boys who are wanting to come watch us, and it's not just girls.
It's just going to be something that's unreal. I reckon it's going to go off.
It's been a roller coaster, hasn't it? Like, I think as a squad, we've really dug in the trenches and really had to really find what we're all about.
After our end of year tour last year, there's a lot that was left unsaid, and I think we have an opportunity to right those wrongs and show the world that we are New Zealand and we are the Black Ferns and we are an exceptionally good team.
We talk about like our families, the way the game is growing at the moment, our support base, like inspiring young girls or even young boys to dream big.
I just think it's so exciting, and what I picked up on what you just said was boys as well.
Yeah.
Like, we have little boys who are wanting to come watch us, and it's not just girls.
Yeah, the growth of the game has been massive. The likes of England has always been a strong competitor. You got France now, and just seeing it take off, man, like everyone's skill sets, like that used to be our point of difference was our skill set, but now everybody's working on their skill set.
We've got in our hub back home, we tick off a day. Each day we walk into that room, we set our goals, we sit down and we plan our day out, and we remind each other that there's only, this many days to go until the Rugby World Cup. And that's enough motivating factor for all of us as we enter the gym or as we put our boots on to go out onto that field. It's a constant reminder that very, very, very soon all eyes are going to be on us.
Look at these celebrations. What a feeling for New Zealand.
I remember going over 2017 and not most of the families could afford to like come over and be with us, and that's cool. But like we felt like we really missed them because our team is based on family. So to have it here and to have everyone in the grandstands, man, that's just going to be unreal. We're going to have schools, we're going to have past players, we're going to have our families. Like, it's just going to be something that's unreal.
Having had those legacy players come in and talk to us in our Black Ferns camps this year, they all talked about how they never got the opportunity to play on home soil. Those women who paved the way had to fundraise, had to travel overseas, and for some of them, their whānau never ever got to see them play in the black jersey. So I know that, we are so lucky to have this opportunity to be playing on home soil, not just any test match, but the World Cup. So for us, it's such a special moment, but also for those women who paved the way for us, this is something that they would have absolutely loved.
Playing with each other, because now we're sisters, and playing in front of our own families. And like you said, you're playing in front of your uncle, playing in front of your brothers. I carry my whole country with me too, everywhere I go. So yeah, that's special.
To actually experience a World Cup and knowing what that atmosphere is like, and knowing that it's here where all our families will be, that's just something that can't be matched.